Welcome to our alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to make a super fun and easy alphabet craft. Crafts are a great way to learn about letters while having lots of fun. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for our craft today. Some colored paper, scissors, glue, and markers. We're going to make an A for apple craft. Ready? Let's go. First, take a piece of red paper and draw an apple shape. If you need help, ask a grown-up or use an apple-shaped template. Now carefully cut out the apple shape with your scissors. Next, we'll need a green piece of paper for the leaf and a brown piece of paper for the stem. Draw a small leaf and a little stem, then cut them out too. Finally, let's add the letter A to our apple. Use your marker to write a big A in the middle of your apple. You can decorate the letter A with some fun patterns or colors if you like. You can make more letters and turn them into fun crafts too. How about B for butterfly or C for cat? Use your imagination and create your own alphabet art. Here are some fun tips. You can use different materials like glitter, stickers, or googly eyes to make your crafts even more exciting. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just have fun and be creative. Thanks for crafting with me today. Crafts are not only fun, but they also help us learn about letters and sounds. Keep practicing and creating more alphabet crafts at home. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to take a picture of your craft and share it with us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational activities.